So that's about where we're at so far. I've been learning a lot on these and really having a fun time. I love working with heavy, beefy oak. Just something fun about it. Yeah, they are heavy. Each one of these, I'm guessing, is around 35, 40 pounds. And the whole dresser is just going to be a mammoth beast. So yeah, that's going to be nice. But some of the next things I have coming up, I have to put the stretcher to connect these two together, and that'll actually determine the size of the dresser, and then start working on all the support and the carcass. So it'll probably be a few more weeks of messing around with that, and we'll get this dresser going yet. And maybe someday I'll be able to lift this thing. But that's about it for today. I hope you like this. If you saw something you didn't like, something you'd like to say, hey, there's a better way of doing that, please let me know in the comments below. If there's something you liked, I would love to hear about it. And as always, if you like this, please hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe and share it with your friends. I have a few other videos you might like too. See you next time. Have a wonderful day.